Administrator enrollment using face and fingerprint. To enroll an administrator, you need to press Menu, select User, and select Add. Now, press the user ID and key in a user ID number, for example, 1234, and press OK to accept. Press Face to start enrollment. Please look at the screen. Follow the instructions given by the terminal. Look at the LCD screen of the terminal. Raise your head a bit up. Camera will capture an image and instruct you to look ahead. Please look at the screen. Turn your head a bit to the left. Turn your head a bit to the right. Please look at the camera below screen. Verify. After the face template has been saved into the terminal's memory, you will hear Verified. The screen will then return to the previous menu. To access as an administrator, you need to press Next button and select User button to shift the mode to Administrator. Press Save. After face enrollment has been done, the terminal will ask you to enroll fingerprint or password as backup verification method. Press OK. You need to select fingerprint and place your finger on the scanner to capture fingerprint image. Remove the finger from the scanner after each capture. Repeat the same process 3 times with the same finger to complete the process. Press Save to save the settings. The screen will return to the previous menu. Press Menu to return to the main menu, and you can press Exit to exit the main menu. Once an administrator is enrolled into the system, normal user can no longer gain access into the system by pressing the menu button. To access the system, the face of the administrator is required. When an administrator has been enrolled in the system, Admin Affirm will be displayed every time someone touches the menu button. When showing Admin Affirm, verify with the admin face to be able to log in to the main menu. Press Exit to escape from main menu. If an administrator would like to use finger to access the main menu, he needs to press Switch to fingerprint mode. Now, press Menu and the screen will display Admin Affirm. Administrator needs to verify his fingerprint to gain access into the system for configuration.